Let's make chicken jalfrezi. In a pan, heat some oil and fry onions until they turn light brown like this. Add ginger garlic paste and green chilies, fry for about a minute and then add your chicken and cook until it changes color. After that, we will add all of our spices. We're using red chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, turmeric powder, black pepper, garam masala powder, vinegar, soy sauce and salt. We'll cook the masalas for about 2 to 3 minutes and then add tomato puree. Give it a good mix, cover the lid and let it cook for about 10 minutes on medium heat. When the gravy forms and oil starts to separate, add the tomato paste. This is completely optional. And give it a good mix again. You'll see that the oil is separating. At this point, we'll add all the vegetables. Mix it again, cover the lid for about 2